Finally tried Tiamo Tiramisu because at this point, who is not obsessed with tiramisu? Can I just say? I know late na ako sa trend, pero nadaanan ko lang kasi ito sa SM Aura and there was no line, so I felt like it's a good time to try. In fairness, you get a decent size for a really affordable price. Mas mura to compared to many of the hype tiramisu slices. The cake is chilled and kinain ko to agad pagkabili. I noticed the tiramisu is super soft. The mascarpone cream was cloud-like, and I'm not sure if they use lady fingers kasi the texture is like a sponge cake. Grabe yung coffee flavor nito. First bite, and the coffee hits you hard. Kahit ng pagka-open pa lang ng container, you really smell the coffee. I guess instant coffee yung ginamit nila pang flavor because it gives that vibe. Pero it does the job naman. The lady fingers were soaked well, hindi dry, hindi rin mushy na nag-disintegrate na. Sapat na sapat lang. The mascarpone cream though was so light. It was too light actually for my liking. I cannot get the hint of mascarpone or any cheese at all. It tasted like a stable whipped cream to me. The four layers were very generous though. Hindi nila tinipid yung portion, so if size ang basis, sulit yung bayad. Overall, I get the hype for this tiramisu. It is mass appealing, the flavors are there, and their attempt to make tiramisu affordable and accessible is really commendable. It's nice that desserts that used to be just for restaurants and high-end cafes are readily made available to many na. If you're exploring different tiramisus or just looking for an affordable option, you should try this one. Not my favorite to be honest, but still, I say go na, try mo na.